Hello dear students, myself Dr. Shrikant Verma, MBBS MD Anatomy, Director Simple Medical Academy. Now in this video, we are going to discuss what are the various muscles of the posterior compartment. Yes, as we have seen, the posterior compartment is having the two parts, superficial posterior compartment and the deep posterior compartment. Okay, in the superficial posterior compartment, there are the three muscles are present. What are the three muscles? Yes, you can remember by the your trick or mnemonic, that is the gossip, GSP, G, S and the P. Yes, G for gastrocnemius, S for soleus and P for plantaris. So these are the three muscles which are present in the superficial compartment. Gastrocnemius, as you know, the gastrocnemius is having two heads. Yes, lateral head and the medial head. Yes, the gastrocnemius muscle is having the two heads, lateral head and the medial head. And there is a very large bulky muscle is present which is coming from the soleal line of the tibia. Yes, we will see later. This is the soleus. Okay, so this soleus muscle, it is having the large bulk and the veins are passing through this soleus muscle. So when this soleus muscle contracts, the vein contract, and then this vein, they will pump the blood towards the heart. That's why this soleus muscle is also known as the peripheral heart. Yes, this is another MCQ. This soleus muscle is known as peripheral heart. Yes, why it is known as the peripheral heart? Because it helps in the venous return, and after this venous return, it will helpful for the maintenance of the cardiac output, your physiology. Okay, so that's why this soleus is considered as peripheral muscle. Yes, plantaris, we will see later. This plantaris muscle is having very short belly and it is having the very long tendon. Yes, the plantaris is having very short belly and it is having very long tendon. That's why this muscle is used for the tendon grafting operation. This is the MCQ for your orthopedics and the surgery. Which muscle is used for the tendon grafting operation in the lower limb? Your answer is the yes, plantaris. While the homologous muscle of this plantaris in the upper limb is yes, palmaris longus. Because this muscle was attached in the palm and it was very long, that's why it was known as the palmaris longus. Okay, so yes, this was used for the tendon grafting operation in upper limb, palmaris longus. In lower limb, your answer is the plantaris. Yes, it is the degenerating muscle of the lower limb. It is many individuals, they may lack of this plantaris muscle because it is degenerating, it is disappearing muscle. Okay, yes, the next thing, there is the two heads of the gastrocnemius, lateral head and the medial head, and this soleus. So these all the muscles are known as triceps suri. Yes, triceps suri. Triceps means three. Triceps, three heads. Yes, there is one combination of the muscle that is known as the triceps suri because it is having three heads. How many three? How there are three heads? Lateral head of the gastrocnemius, medial head of the gastrocnemius, and the soleus. They are forming the three heads of the muscle. So this combination is known as triceps suri. This will form the strongest tendon of our body, which is the tendoachilles or tendocalcaneus. Okay, that is the strongest tendon of our body. That's why this muscle is known as the triceps suri. So this is about the superficial posterior compartment muscles. Yes, this compartment is not having any neurovascular bundle. Okay, the nerve located there, but that is the subcutaneous. That is the subcutaneous. Okay, yes. Which nerve is present here? Present there. There is a supracutaneous nerve. Yes, that is just cutaneous. There is a one cutaneous nerve, but the no motor nerve is present, which is supplying these muscles. Okay, so just remember, there is a no neurovascular bundle here. Vein is present, that is also cutaneous. So remember, this compartment is not having any kind of the neurovascular bundle, which was the question from your EAMS May 2018. So in the next video, we will discuss about the various muscles of the deep posterior compartment of the leg. So thank you very much. Kindly share, subscribe and comment for the improvement of the medical education. Thank you very much. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for notification on our simplified medical and motivational videos.